Okay, so you can see from this side, it's like nice and sleek and laid back. And this is the side that I didn't do. So you see that, how puffy it is at the edges? Like when you put it on, it's gonna give you that wiggy look because it's like puffy. So I'm gonna show you how I achieved that flatness. So you wanna take your Slick Stick by Tianna Blancoo, of course. Push it up, and then we're gonna lay it on. Okay. So that's it. Just lay it on. You don't need too much. Then I'm gonna take my pressing comb and watch the magic happen. So pay attention to this parting space, right? Because this wig is 2 years old. The frontal is still very good compared to other 2-year-old wigs that I had. But I'm gonna show you how we are going. So I'm gonna show you how I'm gonna fix this part. Don't worry about the part. Just psych it out your mind until the end of the video, till we get to that part. But this is a loose deep wave texture. I used 3 bundles and a frontal, and it says 22 inches. So what I'm gonna do today is I want to wand curl this hair. I love wand curls on texture deep wave kind of hair. Now when we are on the right hand side, you want the curls to go backwards. We don't want it to come forward to our face, unless that's how you want it. But I like my curls to go the opposite direction. So what you want to do is take your wand curl and we're going to twist it. And we're going to leave this on for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And voila. So when I'm wrapping, I'm twisting it around. So now what I want to do is start to tweeze. I said tweeze it. to tease it, to give it more volume, right? So just to give it more body, I'm not combing it down to the ends. I'm just taking a wide tooth comb, and we're gonna kind of like tease it to give it more body. Okay, so now back to this parting space, right? We are gonna fix that, a quick fix. Let me just zoom in so you guys can see. So you wanna take your powder. I don't like to use liquid because it's kind of hard to get it out. So you can go to your little dollar store, get the little cheap makeup if you don't own any makeup of your own. But you're definitely going to need some powder that's more of your skin tone, right? Okay. So next, we just need hairspray and a rat tail comb. And we're going to place it right there. We're going to place it where you want that straight part at. And then you're going to take your hairspray. And we're going to spray it. You ready? Voila. So I'm using my curl whip to lay down my edges and baby hairs. So you want to shake it and apply it to the edges.